Welcome to our journey back in time, exploring the incredible ingenuity of ancient civilizations in hydraulic engineering. Despite what we consider technological limitations, their ability to manage water was vital for their survival and growth, impacting everything from farming to daily life in their cities. Let's start with the Romans. Famous for their aqueducts, the Romans were masters of using gravity to bring fresh water to their cities over huge distances. These weren't just channels, they were marvels of engineering, often using arches and tunnels to navigate challenging terrain. They didn't just bring water in, they managed it within cities with sophisticated sewerage systems like the Cloaca Maxima in Rome, and even regulated water use through laws. Their approach was all about large-scale, centralized infrastructure. Moving east to Mesopotamia, the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Here, civilizations like the Sumerians and Babylonians were developing intricate canal systems as early as the 4th millennium BCE. These canals diverted river water, transforming arid land into fertile agricultural zones. This required immense organization for building and maintaining these networks to prevent issues like silting and salinization. Their focus was extensive, gravity-fed canal systems perfect for floodplain agriculture. Then there's ancient Egypt, a civilization utterly dependent on the Nile. Their hydraulic engineering revolved around the river's annual flood. They developed basin irrigation, a clever system where floodwaters were channeled into large, diked agricultural plots. When the waters receded, they left behind fertile silt, perfect for crops. Egyptians also used nilometers, structures built along the river, to measure water levels. This was crucial for predicting the flood size, which directly impacted harvests and even taxation. Their system was about adapting to the Nile's natural rhythms rather than large permanent diversion structures. Further east, the Indus Valley civilization, with cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa around 2600 BCE, showed amazing urban planning which included advanced water management. Many homes had private wells and bathing platforms that connected to covered drains lining the main streets. The Great Bath at Mohenjo-Daro, a large, watertight public facility, hints at a sophisticated understanding of hydraulic construction and possibly ritual uses of water. Their systems highlight a strong focus on urban sanitation and individual access to water, deeply integrated into their city designs. In the Aegean, the Minoans on Crete and the Mycenaeans on mainland Greece also had impressive systems. The Minoans, around 2700 BCE, used terracotta pipes for water distribution and had sophisticated drainage in palaces like gnosis, plus cisterns for water storage. On mainland Greece, the Mycenaeans built dams for flood control and water storage, like the Kofini Dam, and undertook large drainage projects to reclaim land for farming, such as draining Lake Copias. They employed localized solutions but also tackled more ambitious projects. So, what can we learn by comparing them? While all these civilizations faced the fundamental need for water, their methods varied significantly. Romans focused on engineered structures for long-distance transport and urban sanitation. Mesopotamians excelled in large-scale irrigation. Egyptians masterfully adapted to the Nile's flood cycle. The Indus Valley people embedded water supply and sanitation directly into their advanced city planning. And the Minoans and Mycenaeans developed localized storage, distribution, and flood control. Yet, common threads emerge. Gravity played a critical role in most systems, organized labor and administration were essential for construction and upkeep, and water management profoundly shaped their agricultural productivity and urban development. They skillfully used locally sourced materials like stone, brick, and terracotta. Studying these ancient hydraulic systems isn't just a history lesson, it offers valuable lessons in sustainable water management and adaptation to environmental conditions. The ingenuity displayed in harnessing and managing water, despite the millennia that have passed, remains a source of inspiration and a testament to the foundational role of hydraulic engineering in the rise of human civilization. Thanks for tuning in.